fucking day to live through. Damn. Let me get out of my bed and get this bullshit over with. God damn it. For the heavenly gift of a life.